Welcome to the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise tutorial series. In this video, we are going to introduce RTH mode. Introduction. There are two RTH modes in DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series, which are preset and optimal. In preset mode, the aircraft will search for an open area, ascend to the RTH altitude, and return to home using the best path. In optimal mode, the aircraft automatically plans the optimal RTH path and adjusts the altitude. How to use. Turn on the aircraft and the controller and enter the camera view. Tap Setting, scroll the screen down, and you can see Return to Home. Preset mode. Tap Preset and set the RTH altitude. During the flight, you can hold the RTH button down until hearing the sound. Then the aircraft will perform the preset RTH. Let me share with you more information about the RTH distance. If the aircraft is 50 meters or further from the home point and higher than the RTH altitude, it will descend first and then using the best path to return home. If the aircraft is lower than the RTH altitude, it will ascend first. If the aircraft is 5 to 50 meters away from the home point, the aircraft will not ascend to the RTH altitude. It will return home using the best path at the current altitude. If the aircraft is less than 5 meters away from the home point, it will start landing right there. Optimal mode. Tap Optimal. During the flight, you can hold the RTH button down until hearing the sound. Then the aircraft will perform the optimal RTH. Regardless of the RTH altitude settings, the aircraft automatically plans the best RTH path while avoiding the obstacles. For both RTH modes, you can detect the obstacles around the aircraft using the navigation display. You can check the green RTH route in Map View. You can check the heading waypoint using the green icon in Camera View. You can exit the RTH and regain full control of the aircraft by pressing the Flight Pause button. Caution. When performing the RTH, the obstacle avoidance action is Avoid and cannot be changed. The vision system cannot work properly when the aircraft flies over surfaces without clear pattern variations or where the light is too weak or too strong. Please avoid objects having small surface areas such as power lines and tree branches. The aircraft will be in straight line RTH if the lighting condition and environment are unsuitable for vision systems. In this case, the aircraft cannot avoid obstacles. An appropriate RTH altitude should be set before entering RTH. Please be careful. Thanks for watching.